Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I know exactly what is in this box because of who sent it. Pretty excited to take a look at it. Thank you so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and some other benefits, there's of course a link down in the description. You're supporting me in the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alright, so this box, was sent to me by my buddy Ricky, who is, you guys who have been watching the channel since the beginning know that he and I used to work at the old dealership together. And he was in a ton of uploads on my channel where we kind of just discuss things. He has turned into quite the Spyderco collector, and he always seems to get his hands on interesting sprints. Now I'm going to tell you guys, you can't get this right now, and I know that that makes people frustrated. I like to show things that I find interesting, even if they are just variants of a knife that I have shown a million times on this channel, and that's, in this case, the PM2. This is the River's Edge Cutlery exclusive PM2 in this flat dark earth DLC and OD green G10 scale in 204p. For whatever reason, people really freaked out about this variant of the PM2. I mean, it is definitely cool. There are not a lot of, in fact, I don't know of another, like they have the black DLC coated PM2, which is a standard through Spyderco, and then I think that's the only other coating. This is this exclusive is through River's Edge Cutlery, and they decided to do this bronze coating or this flat dark earth coating on the blade. And you know, normally these earthy colors don't do it for me, but this is just weird enough and just different enough that it's interesting. And the fact that they did it in 204p, I mean, I can see why a lot of people like this. So there's nothing different about this PM2 versus other PM2 variants that we've all seen. It's just an exclusive that it's another one of those exclusives that went really fast. And I know, a lot of people have, different feelings about this stuff. Ricky being a collector, he's got his name in all those different email notification systems. And the moment that there's a whisper of something that is, about to come out, he's one of those people that's always ready to go. And I appreciate that because a lot of times there are PM2, not always PM2 variant, but Spyderco variants that I'd really like to get my hands on, and I'm just not ready. Ricky is a lot better at that than I am, and he's always nice enough to send me the one he picks up so that I can show it on the channel. This doesn't really do you guys any benefit. We'll do a little overview and we'll talk a little bit about this knife. But what you can do is pick up versions of the PM2 that are available right now, and I'll link them down below. The retailers that I have listed down there have their own exclusives. Blade HQ and DLT Trading have their own exclusive PM2s that come out periodically. And if you're wanting to get your hands on those, then you need to sign up for the email notification system through either Blade HQ or DLT Trading or both. Blade HQ's is the M4 and Jade, which what's weird with exclusives, I can never tell if they're going to be done with a certain run of knife forever or if they're just waiting for the next. Because a lot of times they're like, we're not making any more of these, and then they do another run. Or, oh, we found a batch of these in the warehouse or what, whatever. So, yeah. If you're interested in getting one of these weird variants of PM2s or Spydercos in general, you can check out the listing on the retailers down below. And you can pick up theirs. Now, as far as River's Edge Cutlery goes, if you want this specific one, you'd have to go to River's Edge Cutlery and sign up with them. But that's, I mean, people get their hands on stuff like this by being a part of certain collector groups or the forums associated with the specific brand. Signing up for email notifications through a retailer, basically creating a web of like a multi-source notification system so that they don't miss when things like this come out. And you do have, I mean, it can be frustrating for the vast majority of people who want these, but that's really the only way to do it. You have to be ready and you have to be, there. Sometimes these sprints and exclusives, this isn't a sprint, it's an exclusive, but they sell out in minutes, they're gone. There have been a couple of times where Spyderco has released a version of a knife that I really, really wanted, and I made myself ready for it. I mean, the red Manix 2 and 20 CV. Through DLT, I was ready to go for that the very first time they did that. Picked one up, and I think there was another one time. But yeah, that is that's the only way. It's just this avocado sticker. That's funny through River's Edge Cutlery. Anyways, this is cool. If you want to pick up a Spyderco knife, a Spyderco PM2 variant of the PM2 that you actually can buy, I'll link PM2s down in the description, as well as Spyderco knives in general. Yeah, I think that's going to be pretty much it for today's short little unboxing. This really does look good. I wish I'd see more knives in this DLC color. That'd be cool. I would want this with a black G10 scale. That would be my ideal PM2, I think. And well, at least with this coating. But pretty cool. We'll talk about this, do a little overview. But in any case, guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, at least found it mildly entertaining, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that metal complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.